Welcome to Mojave Narrows Regional Park, one of the most beautiful and unique destinations in Victorville, California. For decades, this oasis in the high desert of Southern California has been a gathering spot for family fun, outdoor adventure, and lasting memories. Whether you're here for the trails, the lakes, or the history, there's something for everyone, no matter the season. And today I want to share not just what makes this park amazing, but also some personal memories from growing up here that might just make you want to recreate your own. Before we dive into the activities, let's take a step back in time. Mojave Narrows sits along the ancient Mojave River, an underground waterway that has sustained this lush oasis for centuries. Native American tribes relied on its resources, and it later became a vital part of the old Spanish Trail. Ranchers and settlers also found this land to be a haven in the desert. Growing up, I remember how connected this park felt to its history. Events like Huck Finn Days and powwows were held here, celebrating the park's rich cultural and natural heritage. It was a place where the past came alive, creating moments I'll never forget. One of my favorite memories is spending Father's Day week here during Huck Finn Days. Back then, this event was the highlight of the year for families in the high desert. We'd camp out for the week, and let me tell you, it was hot. I remember waking up with the sun just because it was so warm in the tent. But the heat didn't stop the fun. We'd watch Julie Springfield and her band play music. I loved her banjo. It was so magical. We'd eat Indian tacos, paddle around the lake in the paddle boats, fish, and even ride horses. I'll never forget when a herd of cows wandered right through our campsite one morning. It gave us all a good laugh. Of course, there were also the skunks. My aunt's tent once got sprayed by one, and it was the worst thing. Let me tell you, skunks are no joke, especially when they guard the bathrooms at night. And here's a pro tip. Always keep some tomato sauce or ketchup on hand just in case. Mojave Narrows is famous for its trails. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just taking a leisurely stroll, there's no shortage of paths to explore. One of the highlights is the Mojave River Walk, a scenic trail that runs along the Mojave River all the way past Spring Valley Lake to Bear Valley. Walking these trails brings back so many memories. We were laughing and spotting wildlife. Yes, there are snakes as well, so be careful. The park feels like a different place each season, whether it's bursting with wildflowers in the spring or peaceful and quiet in the winter. If you're looking for unique ways to experience the park, don't miss the horseback riding trails. There's nothing quite like riding through the meadows along the riverbanks. It's peaceful, scenic, and gives you a whole new appreciation for the desert landscape. For those who love a challenge, the disc golf course here is a must-try. It's not just about tossing a frisbee. The course takes you through beautiful wooded areas and open fields, adding a touch of adventure to your game. During the warmer months, the park hosts fishing derbies that bring out anglers of all ages. If you love fishing, these events are a great chance to cast your line and compete for prizes. Mojave Narrows isn't just a place for outdoor adventure. It's also a hub for amazing yearly events. One of the most popular is the Harvest Festival Haunted Hayride, held every October. This family-friendly event has everything from trick-or-treating and costume contests to live music, food vendors, and of course, the Haunted Hayride. It's the perfect way to celebrate fall in the high desert. No matter when you visit, there's always something to do here. In the spring, the park comes alive with the blooming flowers and birds. Summer is perfect for water activities like paddleboarding or cooling off at the splash pad. The kids will love the splash pad. Fall is ideal for camping. As a young adult, I camped here with friends, and it was such a fun experience. Except for one of those skunks were guarding the bathrooms. We had to use the boys' bathroom. Winter, on the other hand, offers a peaceful retreat for fishing and walking the trails. The crisp air and quiet scenery make it such a great time to relax and unwind. park also offers nature hikes, birdwatching tours, and educational programs throughout the year. These activities give visitors a chance to learn about the local ecosystem while enjoying the park's natural beauty. Be sure to check out the San Bernardino County Parks website for the latest updates on events and activities. Mojave Narrows is more than just a park. It's a place where memories are made. For me, it's tied to so many moments with family and friends. Camping, music, laughter, and yes, even a skunk or two. It's a place to connect with nature and enjoy unique activities and create your own stories. So, are you ready to make your own Mojave Narrows memories? Let me know in the comments what you're most excited to try. And if you're a high desert local, I would love to hear about your experiences here too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more adventures in the high desert. Until next time, happy exploring.